Wow, this pasta looks
It
absolutely
rarely starts with
delicious.
too much screen time. It starts with the little moments screens begin to replace. One day, it's skipping outdoor play. Books stay closed, and every free moment belongs to a screen. Sometimes children struggle to put devices away. Sometimes they become distracted
Can you put your phone away?
I'll do it later.
or lose sleep without anyone noticing. It's not just time on a screen. It's the moments of connection, curiosity, and real-life experiences that slowly disappear.
Wanna join us?
This doesn't mean you failed as a parent. Technology isn't the enemy. Understanding your child's digital habits is where meaningful change begins. Healthy habits aren't built in a single day. They grow through small moments of connection, curiosity, and understanding. Because raising healthy digital citizens begins with understanding. Take the Briteminds Screen Time Assessment to better understand your child's digital habits.